Today I'm gonna show you two simple recipes that are sure to improve any of your dishes. So what are those two recipes? I have two recipes for aiolis. Aioli is just a fancy word for a sauce. And it comes from probably olive oil, because regular aioli, it's extremely heavy. The basics are olive oil, egg yolk, and then anything that you like, maybe a little bit of vinegar or lemon juice, garlic, spices. That's what aioli is. And everybody loves it. Not always they know what it is. But it's basically a fancy sauce. But I'm gonna show you two recipes that will not break your calorie budget whatsoever. They will not destroy your diet. At the same time, they will add tons of flavor. And what's best, they're extremely easy to make and quick. So let's get cooking. So for sriracha sauce or aioli, you're gonna need 5% yogurt, Greek yogurt, and sriracha, and a little bit of salt and pepper if you'd like. Sometimes you can actually use also some garlic. So on both recipes I'm gonna use a little bit over 100 grams of yogurt, and then the rest of the sauces you gotta measure for the spiciness. I like it spicy, so I put a lot. So here I have probably 20 to 30 grams of sriracha. Mix it very well. It's gonna become smooth the more you mix it. A little taste. And if it's not spicy enough, add a little bit more sriracha. If it's not salty enough, add salt. You know how it goes. And for the hot sauce aioli, I'm gonna measure the yogurt. Also 100 grams of full fat yogurt. I like full fat because we're replacing mayo, and mayo is so rich. So you wanna make sure you don't lose any flavor. And here I have sweet chili sauce. I'm gonna leave a description of this ingredient down below so you know exactly what it is. It adds a little bit of sweetness, but it has a lot of sugar, so go easy on it. I added only 5 grams of it. And now here it is, my favorite hot sauce. I have an original one and chili garlic. I love the chili garlic flavor. You should explore some more because they're really, really good. And I'm gonna mix both of them. So I'm gonna start with about 30 grams each and mix it. And like I said before, I love those aiolis, very spicy. I love the spice. So make sure you don't go too much from the beginning because it might be too spicy, and you can actually add more yogurt to reduce the heat. But to be safe, just add a little bit, toss it, see if you need a little bit more. Then you keep on adding till you reach the right flavors. Also, with this sauce, you can add garlic if you like. I love garlic in anything. I didn't add here, but I highly recommend it. Just experience any different ways. That's the best way. And of course, after you mix it, salt and pepper to taste. Make sure that you like the flavor. And I needed, of course, more, so I added a little bit more to it. And not a little bit, a lot. And keep on stirring it till you get the smooth consistency, and it looks just like a mayo-based aioli. If you go online and check them out, you see it's exactly that. So there you go. I hope I equipped you in some nice, easy ideas how to spice up your dishes. And most importantly, you don't have to feel guilty about adding them to your dishes. I certainly suggest that you do. Because of you using yogurt, it's a very low calorie and high protein side. It's great for dipping. You can dip your carrot, celery in it. You can use it for wraps or tacos. Or if you want to be maybe a little bit more adventurous, you want to put some chips in it, you can do that as well. And so what I want to share with you right now is what type of hot sauce I'm using here. It is this one. And I've tried tobacco, nice. I tried Tabasco and any other sauces as well, but they are not as flavorful as this one. I don't know what it makes it better, but it just tastes much better for me. I really like it, so I suggest that you go ahead and buy it and see if you like it as well. And this one is even more important, Sriracha. This brand, it says Hui Fong Foods. I hope I pronounced it right. But this is the best flavor. It has just the right sweetness to it, the garlicky flavor, vinegar. It's just perfect balance of flavors. I have bought many others and I was highly disappointed. That is why I'm suggesting you do this. But hey, if you found a better one and you tried this one and you have something that you think you want to share, leave a comment below. I definitely want to hear from you. So for the second thing I would like to share with you is I'm calling this sauce aioli because it's thick, and like I said, you can dip things in and you can add to even to your protein. Maybe make a dinner with some nice pork tenderloin or anything like that, and you can actually put it on the side. It's really good for dipping as well. You can dip French fries in it if you like as well. But if you would like to use it for a salad as a dressing, which I do it all the time, you can use one trick. Put everything in a blender, you use the same amount of ingredients, and the consistency will be much more runnier. So that's another option that you can actually use these sauces for. So it's either aioli recipe or dressing recipe, depending on what way you want to prepare it. Cool. So I hope you like this video and it helps you a lot. Make sure you click the like button, leave a comment below, and I will see you on the next one.